Welcome. Today we're updating your Discord profile with a fresh About section so people can see who you are and what you're all about. This quick guide walks you through each step, making the process simple and straightforward. First, open the Discord app. You'll want to sign in if you're not already and land on your main chat screen. From there, look to the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap your profile icon to reveal your personal settings. It's the gateway to customizing how you appear to others on the platform. Next, you'll enter the settings area. In this section, locate and select account. This is where essential information tied to your identity lives. You'll see fields for things like your display name and more. The goal is to find the display name option so you can personalize how you're seen in servers and direct messages. Tap display name to begin editing. Think about a name or handle that feels right for you across communities you're part of. You can keep your current name if you're happy with it, but this is your moment to tailor your presence. Once you've chosen your new display name, focus on the About Me field. This is your space to share a little about you, interests, a joke, a motto, or anything that represents your online persona. Edit the About Me field with concise, engaging content. A strong About section gives others a snapshot of who you are and what you are into, so include a couple of details that spark conversation. After you're satisfied with what you've written, save your changes. The save option is usually near the bottom of the screen or available as a check mark. Confirm the update and you're all set. If you want to fine-tune further, revisit the same path anytime. Profile icon settings, account display, name, About Me. You can rotate in new details to reflect hobbies, interests, or current projects. Keep it friendly, authentic, and easy to understand at a